In this tutorial, we're going to delve into combining multiple conditions using logical operators and if statements in Node.js JavaScript. Here, we are using the logical and operator AND. This operator returns true if both conditions are true. In this case, since 5 is less than 10 and 10 is less than 15, it prints both conditions are true. Now, we're using the logical or operator vertical bar. This operator returns true if at least one of the conditions is true. In this case, it prints at least one condition is true because 10 is less than 15. Here, we are using the logical not operator exclamation mark. This operator returns true if the condition is not true. Since 5 is not greater than 10, it prints the condition is not true. In this example, we've created a compound condition using logical operators. The parentheses are used to group conditions and control the order of operations, similar to how they are used in mathematics. Since 5 is less than 10 or 15, and 10 is not greater than 15, it prints the compound condition is true. And that wraps up our quick introduction to using logical operators in Node.js if statements. Keep practicing and testing out different conditions and operators. Happy coding!